Good morning, all of you. My name is Amit, and firstly, introduce myself. My name is Amit, and I am a educator of the CAT. Last 2 years, I have been teaching the CAT students. I want to discuss about the syllabus of CAT. What CAT actually asked in examination. Many types of institute in India open their institute for CAT, but maximum institute don't know about the syllabus of CAT. What CAT actually asked, they don't know. So I'm going to introduce the CAT syllabus, that what CAT asked in examination. You are a student of CAT, MAT, GMAT, many types of examination of conducted by the AICTE, like CMAT or Master CET. So today I'm going to only discuss about the CAT syllabus. If you are preparing for CAT, then watch this video. In this video, I covered fully syllabus of CAT, and accept it. You have to do nothing else. If you do this chapter, then definitely I guarantee you, you will be crack the CAT examination with higher percentile. And which types of topic you have to cover, you should have to cover, I will discuss all things in this video. Okay, so let's start this video. So actual CAT what asked: logic, LRDI, English, VARC, verbal ability and reading comprehension, and quantitative aptitude. I want to introduce quantitative aptitude and LRDI. So firstly, talk about the quantitative aptitude. Then in quantitative aptitude, what CAT asked? Then these types of chapter CAT asked. Except it, you have to nothing to do. First chapter is number system. Many types of institute teach you number system, but talk about the CAT. Then CAT asked different types of number system, means that logic based question in number system. Not CAT asked what is the 2 power remainder theorem, what is the remainder theorem, and not directly asked question from the remainder theorem. They asked the conceptual question from the remainder theorem. The first number system, its weightage is 3 to 5 number. 3 to 5 number system weightage. Average, this is one question. Function and graph, there are 2 questions. Quadratic equation, 2 questions. Set theory, 1 question. Geometry, 3 to 5 questions. Mensuration, 3 to 5 questions. Time, speed and work. Time, speed and work. Work means time and work. Okay. Time, speed and work, and probability and communication, 5 to 7 questions. Logarithm, 2 questions. Set theory, 1 question. Ratio, percentage, profit loss, 5 questions. So accept it, you have to do nothing. And you have to target to touch 12 question out of 34 questions. First target. If you cover 12 question out of 34 question, then you will get a IIM call. Minimum number of questions, you will get IIM call. So if you want to cover 12 questions, then you cover the geometry section, 3 to 5, mensuration, 3 to 5, then 8 to 10 questions. Okay. And if you cover the time, speed, work, and probability, permutation, combination, then 5 questions. These 3 chapter if you study, then you will definitely get from the call of many IIMs. Believe it, it is true. Because I also cracked the CAT examination, MAT examination, and 3 times of bank examination also. So I know the real cutoff of the CAT. You have to, many types of student preparing for the CAT examination, but they don't know about the real syllabus of CAT. What CAT actually asked, they don't know. So you should have to know firstly, then you will have to work on that chapter. If you are working on that chapter, that chapter will not the question will that chapter not asked in CAT examination. You know what is the benefit? that time is useless for you. So work on that chapter. That chapter will ask in CAT examination. You should the target of 12. If you correct the 12 question, then you will get a IM call. And by 3 chapter you will get the IM call. By 3 chapter. Okay? And you want to extra, then you cover the number system, you cover the logarithm. If you cover the 5 chapter, then your score above the 12 and your percentile will increase. Okay, definitely if you correct the 12 question, then you will get a 90 plus percentile in CAT examination in quantitative aptitude section. So which types of question number system asks? Actually CAT asks. Which types of question asked in average, function relation, quadratic equation, set theory, geometry and etc. So firstly you have to work on that question, because if I talk about the time and work chapter, okay, CAT definitely asks every year time and work chapter. So which types of question CAT asks in time and work? Because railway, NTPC, SSC, banking, all examination ask the time and work question, but their rule and function about the time and work is different. So CAT ask you time and work question related to business, because you want to enter a world of business. So CAT ask you related to business. If they ask the any chapter, they connect that chapter to business, then he ask to you that chapter, because CAT never demands calculation. CAT demands your logical thinking. If your logical thinking is good, then you definitely crack the CAT examination. Okay. Talk about the LRDI. LRDI. So if you are studying in any institute, then that institute teach you say log chapter, Blur relation chapter, and inequality, many types of chapter. Okay, that chapter is the syllabus of a banking, not a syllabus of CAT. So what CAT asked in examination? Why students are failure in examination? Why students get a minus percentile? Why students get a 10 percentile, 1 percentile in CAT examination after preparing 2 to 3 years? But if you focus on CAT examination, and if you prepared only 10 months, and if you cover this chapter, definitely you get 100 percentile. Definitely you get 100 percentile, and this is true. This is true. You if you don't believe on this chapter, then go through the previous year question of chapter and note down this chapter, and see that CAT asked the types of question or not. Then you have find that these types of question only CAT asked, except it, nothing else. Okay. So talk about the LRDI. In LRDI, there are 8 sections of LRDI. Except it, you have to nothing to do it. Okay. Like team and arrangement based question in logical reasoning, games and tournament, mathematical reasoning. Okay. Fill in the blanks, castlets, logical based DI, quant based DI, and miscellaneous. Talk about the team and arrangement. One set always get asked. One set means 4 questions. In one set there are 4 questions. So in 4 questions in team and arrangement. Games and tournament, 1 set. Mathematical reasoning, 1 set. Fill in the blanks, 1 set. Cassellate, 1 set. Logical based DI, 2 set. Quant based DI, 1 set. Miscellaneous, 2 set. Means that if we talk about the quant only DI, then quant based DI, logical based DI. If you cover this chapter, then you cover the three set of DI, and every set 4 questions. So how many set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to 10. 10 into 4, 30, 40. But CAT asked you 34 questions. Okay. So sometime CAT will not ask you tournament based question. Okay. What cat definitely ask you in every year? So what cat ask you? Quant based DI one set, miscellaneous two set, logical based DI two set. Means that in eight sets of question, cat asked five set from this three chapter. Okay, and remain three chapter, cat will ask Caslet definitely, fill in the blank definitely, and one set from game set tournament or team in arrangement. Sometimes cat asks mathematical reasoning, and you have to target only three set out of eight set. Eight set means 32 question and two question extra from fill in the blanks. Okay, cat asked only you have to target to catch up the three set of DI. If you clear the three set of DI out of 80, out of 8, and this is minimum number you have to correct. Yeah, if you cover these three chapter, then you will solve the five set of DI, but your target only minimum the three set of DI. If you solve the three set of DI, then many IMs call you. It's the IM call. 3 out of 8, that is a IM's call. If you want to get IM call, then 3 out of 8 you will have to solve that question in examination. So in three set of DI there are 12 question. Okay, but in 12 question, if you solve the 10 question out of 34, 10 question, then it is also enough for the get an IM call. So minimum number of question, no any institute will discuss no in any institute discussed about the these types of criteria of syllabus, and this is a real pattern of CAT. If you want to prepare this CAT examination, then you have to cover these types of chapter. If you have to cover this type of chapter, then you can crack the CAT examination definitely. I promise you, if you are preparing for the examination and you are studying these types of chapter, then you are in right way. But you are not studying these types of chapter, then you are a wrong way. Okay, so any types of information, I am also teaching the CAT student, and last year I started with the 10 students, and out of 10 students, more than 5 students cracked the CAT examination. So you have to work hard. Okay, you have to work hard, but work hard on that question that is in your syllabus, not out of syllabus. If you see the syllabus of CAT on the Google and in book in the market, there are many types of chapter. Then there are many types of chapter. Then mota book you have to cover. But why you spoiled your time on that chapter? You are preparing for the CAT examination, not preparing for the CAT examination and all over India examination. So firstly, what your aim? Firstly, decide. You want to crack CAT. You want to crack a CAT examination. If you want to crack a CAT examination, then definitely you can crack the CAT examination by this process. And if your aim is many things, you want to crack CAT, bank, railway, SSC, and also UPSC, IS, then it's your choice. What will you do or not? You will crack or not? I don't know. So focus only one things. Okay? If you focus only one things, then definitely you will crack. If you don't focus on one thing, then you definitely not crack the examination in single examination. So definitely word always in your must be always in your mind. Definitely. So I'm going to end the session. If you have any query regarding the CAT examination, then you will be asked me on my number. My number is 8677800222. Okay, you if you have any query regarding the examination, then you will definitely ask to me. I will help you whatever possible. I will. So before in the class, I want to say that focus on your goal. If you focus on your goal, then you must be achieve that goal. But if you do not focus your goal, then what will happen? Nobody knows. And the secret of success is only desire, which is like a fire. So you have to work on your desire, what your desire demands, and what are you doing to complete your desire. Then you will crack the examination. Not only CAT, you crack the many examination. Whatever you are preparing for that examination, you can crack the examination. Okay. So this is the all things by side of me. So you have to cover this chapter. You have to cover this chapter. If you cover this chapter, then nothing else. And what CAT asked, go to the previous question and see that which types of question asked from the time and work and many types of chapter. So you will know the actual paper of CAT, and you have to work on that paper. If you work on that paper, then definitely you will crack the CAT examination. So I'm going to end my session from this last statement. What is my last statement? The last statement is we can, we will. Thank you.